If you've installed Inkwell Infinity, you may want to use ComfyUI with it. Um, to use ComfyUI, there is already a lot of tutorials online, so I will concentrate in the context of the app. First, you need to open the settings, go in the ComfyUI tab. If you didn't install ComfyUI yet, you can try the install button here. Otherwise, if you already have it, um, you pick up the path towards the ComfyUI folder here. Then you can start it with the start button. It's take a little time to start. You can open up ComfyUI in the browser with this button. So for the moment, it didn't start yet. You need to wait a little. Once it started, you can go in the workflow tab, which normally will be empty, even if you already installed ComfyUI. This is because it's start with a specific user folder. What you will need to do first is go into your Inkwell Infinity install folder, and inside resource, app, and public, and assets, there is the workflow ComfyUI files here. And you take everything, then go here inside pass, you open the library, it's easier from here, then you go up one folder. So you are inside the Inkwell Infinity folder, and there is a ComfyUI user inside here. You go in, default, workflows, and you paste everything inside that. Then you reopen your ComfyUI uh, app and refresh the workflows. They should all be here. So normally, if you just installed it, there will be a lot of missing um, nodes. There is a lot of custom nodes inside. So you will have a pop-up saying a bunch of stuff are missing. So you go in Manager, install missing custom node, and you will have a list. You just click install, install, install in the list until all is done. Or what I suggest is basically you open them up one by one. There will be a few new nodes every time that shows up, and you do the same. Go install into the install missing custom nodes. And once that's done, you will need to download some of the model. So sometimes they can be downloaded automatically, I think, now with the ComfyUI manager, but maybe not all of them. So this is why it's a little bit annoying. And that's why it's better if you already know a bit ComfyUI. But usually it's the load checkpoint. You will have the name of the model, and you will have to search it online, usually from CVTI. I think that's the name of the website, or Hugging Face sometime. There is not many models. Usually there is a Quen model, this one. There is the Flux model, a Snow Pony model. That is here. But anything that's missing would show up as an issue in ComfyUI. So you just need to search for the model, download it in the correct folder, and that's it. If you have issues with that part, you can always go in the Discord and ask for help, and should be fine. Once this is done, and you have no more error in ComfyUI. You can even test from ComfyUI the different um, workflows, but otherwise, in the app, uh, then if you go in the editor, open up one of the template, you can create a location here, new one, open the image generator. You have the workflows listed here. So usually I use the Flux dev scene for the scene. Don't need to use those, just the main prompt for this workflow. A detailed view of, for example, fantasy forest. The mushroom. Normally everything is okay by default. Depending on the workflow here, you may have different options. Then you can click generate image. If everything goes fine, it should load the workflow into ComfyUI and just start. So it's take a while because it's need to load the model and basically goes through the process of generating the image. So we wait a little. And obviously, once if you know a bit of ComfyUI, you can then mess around with the workflows, use your own models, make new workflows, and then you need to export them as API JSON and put them in the app. Again, I'm not going to explain that here, but you can go on the Discord. I can just show you where to place the files, and then you have your image, and you can generate another. Use different seeds. Here it's automatic. Then you can adjust whatever, and save and apply, and you have it in your for your location, and that's it. So, like I said, if you have difficulties with that part, don't hesitate to come to the Discord because I know ComfyUI is a big, it's a big app. There is a lot to it. It's a bit complicated, and I try to make it as simple as possible, but there is steps to make it work. That's it. Thanks.